Welcome to Anita's Guide to Simple and Easy Cooking. I'm Anita and today I will show you how to make Fiji Style Bhajia. So let's get started.
I've got here some oil for frying, some water, 1 cup of besan or chickpea flour which I have sifted, 1 medium onion which I have thinly sliced, 2 cups of chopped spinach, 1 medium potato which I have grated, soaked it in some water for 5 minutes and drained it, 1 teaspoon of cumin seeds, 1 teaspoon of carom seeds, 1/4 cup of self-raising flour, 2 tablespoons of ginger, garlic and chili paste, salt to taste, and 1 medium carrot which I have grated. Take a big dish, add chickpea flour, self-raising flour, 1 1/4 teaspoons of salt, cumin seeds, crushed carom seeds in your palm and add it to the dish. You can also add 1/4 teaspoon of turmeric which is optional. Use a spoon and give it a mix. Add spinach, potatoes, onions, carrots and ginger, garlic and chili paste. Use your hands and mix everything together by grabbing the mixture and squeezing it with your fingers. Add 1/4 cup of water and mix it well. Put it aside while we get the oil ready. Place a wok or fry pan on medium heat, add oil and heat it. You will also need to line a dish with some paper towel to absorb excess oil after frying. When the oil gets hot, take 1 tablespoon of the mixture at a time and slowly drop it into the oil. Leave a gap between the bhajias and fry it until the edges start to turn brown. Turn them over and cook it until you get a golden brown color, turning it frequently. Take it out, shake the excess oil off and drain them on some paper towel. Repeat this process until you have finished frying all the bhajias. My Fiji style bhajias are ready and you can serve it hot with some raita or your favorite sauce. Leftover bhajias can be stored in a sealed container in the fridge for up to 3 days. When you are ready to eat, just warm it up in the air fryer, oven or microwave. Enjoy.
If you like this video, please give it a big thumbs up. For more of my simple and easy videos, please subscribe to my channel and don't forget to press the bell icon to receive notifications of my latest videos.